Forberg Smith is a process automation representative and distributor, and we focus on instrumentation, valving, controls, filtration, and also the services that go along with that.
From the measurement instrumentation side, which is really where we play, is a variety of different flow measurement technologies, different types of level technologies, different control valve options. It really gives us the ability to show off different ways to measure the same thing and helps the customer understand, what some certain trade-offs might be based on the cost of the device or the capabilities of the device.
What we're able to do here is we're pulling together all of the Kendall Group products to show a whole process system and demonstrate how you can create an upset and control it and correct it perhaps, or just how products work in a working environment. It's not in a demo or a lab situation. So we're able to show more real world with this than you would see with a lot of the smaller stuff that's produced.
We are able to also add items, bring in standalone units and tie those in, and allow it to expand as we go with our partners.
Having the ability to have a hands-on experience with all of the products, to see how the products work together, how easy it is to set them up, how easy it is for them to communicate, it just brings confidence to the customer to see that these are robust devices. We can demonstrate all of their capabilities.